You said Daniel, how you feel for that one this morning?
Feel good.
Big on your head, eh? Look there. Come on guys, so there with another video, you know. Put on the engine on the boat, I go out there, don't know a place dark. Daniel over there, so Froggy, yeah man. Don't know say place dark, daylight soon come out 4:30 in the morning, you know. Yeah man. Wamaka so ya hold on. Wamaka so ya go on in the morning, eh? Nice size. I'm gonna tap in there, Froggy. One more down again, you know. Alright, Daniel catch out the peeps. Yeah man. Alright, Capo. That is it.
You take a one and just Daniel.
Alright, Daniel, one more.
Proper man.
Alright, peeps in my one there and Daniel alone go on. Alright, Capo. Nice size. Jack. One more jack there again. Yeah, man. Alright, Daniel with one more. Show it them inside. Sir. Alright, Maka back two of them.
I will catch two of them, boy.
Show them the other one there, Evan.
Still one more. Doublers will catch one.
Yeah, man. Doublers.
Rapper.
Alright, peeps, my jack them, I catch the peeps. Yeah, man. Where, sir?
Two jack, two bream now.
Alright. Froggy catch jealous now. So go on out there, man.
Yes, my peeps. Tell you, you know. Big up Jamaica Adventures, isn't it? Set speed.
Relax, 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 relax. Why you can't pick up the air from me?
Outside, you know. Probably don't see my face in the camera for a man, you know. Busy with the fish there. Guys, I see the island over there, so Rat Island. Yeah, man, never hear about it. The pitching island, way down so there. And I'll zoom up. Yeah,
no,
I have my own. Man, so keep. Tapa go Thailand kya. Rona liko party no. Mga daw ko pa go Thailand kya. Uli pa ginap siya so you know. Ko pinail. Come on. So yes, come look see olive vera them, you know. Our go Thailand see them, eh? Lot of olive vera. Yeah man. Yeah man, Davian I put on the fish them, you know. Davian we fish them, show them how go on.
See it, my peeps. Yeah, man. Boy,
That's
season
steam fish and crackers this week
fish
again.
and crackers, okra, Irish, pepper, scallion, thyme, some season all-purpose jerk. You don't know the thing going on. They are go Thailand, you see me? Just not too long to get some fish. Hungry take you now, so you know the thing go. Yeah, man.
Man, one cap there. Cap hide, huh? Yeah man.
You have to cover.
Mr. Piper.
Yeah, man, we are tropical and whole team, whole family in there. They are go Thailand, you see me?
Big up the blue piper.
So yeah guys, so them build a YouTube channel like Blue Piper Crew, you know? Yeah man. I saw one of them over there side there.
That is it.
Yeah man.
Active. Yeah, man. This is a cross boat Thailand is a climber.
Davian, smile. Yeah. Don't forget my shop time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.